Hi guys, I'm Nico. I will be leading the photography workshop of this year's summer programme at Ravensbourne. I'm a photographer based in London. I'm also a final year student at Ravensbourne University. This workshop is suitable for anyone interested in photography, but we will be focusing on getting you interview ready for university. So it's about focusing on getting you to develop a portfolio. The workshop will be broken up into 5 themed weeks. Week 1, you will conduct your research. During week 2, you will begin your experimentation. Week 3 will be about shooting your projects. Week 4 will be post-processing. And week 5, your final week, we will talk about printing and presenting for portfolio.